A very good day to all. So I welcome you all for the lecture series on metrology and measurements. So this is the fourth semester course, 19 ME 401 metrology and measurements. The syllabus and the course materials have been shared to you in the courseware. So refer that for your reference. So let's start with the introduction to metrology. So the first unit name is Introduction to Metrology. So before getting into the topic, let us discuss about metrology. So this is the first time you will be hearing the word metrology. So in third semester, you would have studied a course called as Engineering, Materials and Metallurgy. So metallurgy is different from this metrology. Metallurgy is so there is a difference between these two topics, metallurgy and metrology. So metallurgy, as we already studied, it's a study about the material properties. So here, metrology refers to measuring instruments, study about the measuring instruments. So in this particular course, you'll be studying about the various measuring instruments used for measuring the different dimensions, and also about the how to use those measuring instruments. So that is what we'll be studying in this topic. So measurement plays a major role in mechanical engineering. Every design consideration has to be done based on measurement only. So for designing a particular object, you need accurate measurements, and also during the production quality control, even during the testing phase, and even after delivery service, everywhere metrology plays a major role. So just learn the new word today, metrology. So metrology is nothing but studying about the measuring instruments. So that's the introduction to your course, metrology and measurements. So let's get into the topic of today, which is introduction to metrology. So you are seeing two images in this slide. So one image shows various grains. On the right side, you are seeing different quantities. So how you will purchase these components? So to give a quick, how you will buy these components in the shop. For example, if you are going to buy rice, how will you ask the shopkeeper? You will be asking for 1 kg of rice, 2 kg of rice, or 10 kilogram of rice. Like that, you will be asking. Similarly, oil, you will be purchasing in the form of liters. So that is what you will be learning here. If you go for gold or some precious metals, you will be buying it in the form of grams. So carats, like that, you have certain standards. So you'll be buying gold in terms of grams, whereas if you go for some other components like coal or coffee, you'll be buying it in terms of kilogram. So that is what we'll be learning here. What are the different forms of measurement? Different measuring forms. So there are different measuring forms. For example, weight can be set in terms of kilograms. Other than that, we can use ounces, pounds. So different forms of weight measurements are available. Similarly, oil or a liquid, you can measure in terms of liter, gallon. So like that, different measuring standards are available. So in your school days, you would have learned about different measuring forms and standard measuring forms. So SI unit, standard units you would have studied. So standard unit for weight is kilogram, standard unit for liquid measurement is liter. So that you would have learned. So in this topic, you will be learning about the standard measuring instruments also. So getting to the next topic, as you already discussed, study of metrology. So in metrology, you will be learning about different measuring standards such as weight, length, breadth measurements, etc. So functions of metrology. What are the various functions of metrology measurement in units? First one is establishing the units of measurement. So already, as we discussed, there are different methods by which we can measure a quantity. For example, if you take weight, it can be measured by different units. So in your house, when you are measuring rice, you will measure it with the help of padi. So padi you will be measuring. Similarly, you will measure in terms of weight also. So everything is accepted form of measurement, but there has to be a standardized unit of measure. So that is what you will be establishing here in this metrology. Then reproducing those standards, ensuring uniformity of measurement, and development of methods of measurement. Once a standard has been set, you can develop methods by which those measurements can be done, and analyzing the accuracy of those methods. So these are the different functions of metrology, establishing metrology. So these are the different functions by which metrology can be ensured, or measurement standard can be ensured. So this is a quick recap about your, a quick introduction to your topic, metrology and measurements. So hope you understood this lecture. We'll continue discussing further in upcoming lectures. Thank you.